In this project, we made a keypad passcode that when you type the password in the keypad, a green LED will light up. And this is the keypad password.
A, B, C, and D. So the green LED lighted up, but if we pressed the wrong passcode,
Any wrong one.
anything, it's going to turn red.
So instead of the lights, we can do anything else, right?
Yes,
Like-
you could use like a phone, anything.
Servo
Yeah.
to open a lock. Okay, let's try this.
So press paired devices HC06
Yeah, this is
and it's connected. So now just press keypad and then
you can lock it and unlock it from here.
yeah. So now it's unlocked and then lock, unlock.
Perfect.